an iconic shopping place in Zimbabwe, a beautiful tourist destination in Harare. Welcome to Harare! Welcome to this shopping village, this place with many independent stores. Welcome to Sam Levy Village, Borrowdale, Harare. It is amazing. And welcome to Lesson World, where we travel Zimbabwe and beyond together. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. You want to stay here. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome. So I am a Mutara girl, and this was my first time of being at Sam Levy's village. And I thought, why not bring my Lesson World community with me? So this is the tour. Enjoy it and give me your thoughts on what you see in the comment section. Enjoy! Sam Levy's village was built and named after the Zimbabwean-born Jewish businessman Samuel Rahamin Levy. He was born in 1929 in Kwekwe and he passed away in 2012. He strongly believed that if there were things that he saw abroad, Zimbabweans had to enjoy them as well. This was the inspiration behind this English-looking shopping village in the heart of Borrowdale. The architecture of Sam Levy's village gives vibes of England, as you can see. No wonder why some people have dubbed it Little England. The shopping center was opened in 1990, making it the 34th year that this place has been open for business. There are not only shops, but eateries, as you shall see further on in this video. So do keep watching. Welcome to Harare! Welcome! This is Harare. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I did when it was my first time at Sam Levy's. This is Lesson World, where we travel the world together, and do well to watch the videos in the upcoming cards. Ciao!